Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's summertime still. We've had it for almost a week now, and it's warm and we need something refreshing. We are going to try a cocktail that was named after one of the literary giants of all time, Ernest Hemingway. So let's go ahead and make a Hemingway Daiquiri. Let's get pouring. Into our shaker, we are going to start with 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. We're going to follow that up with 2 different freshly squeezed juices. First off, freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, we're going to use 1/2 ounce. Next, because it is a daiquiri, another 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And you know we're using fresh because fresh is best. Next, we are going to put in our alcohol. First liquor that we're putting in there is the Luxardo, and we're going to use 1/4 ounce of Luxardo. It's the same stuff that they use to make maraschino cherries. And to finish that off, we are going to put in white rum. We're going to use 2 ounces. And that goes into the shaker. Crushed ice. And we're going to give it a good solid shake to chill it down. We're going to get ourselves a coupe glass. And we pour. Last touch, a lime wheel, and that, the Hemingway Daiquiri.
Is it good?
Did Hemingway ever do anything bad other than behave?
Yeah, that's good.
So if you want to be the old man in the sea, give this one a try, folks. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the button at the end if you're not already.